Children, welcome to another geography class. Let's begin our class with a very wonderful thought. Okay? Yes. Life doesn't get easier, you just get stronger, isn't it? So, life is never easy. You just need to be very strong. Okay. So, let's continue with our lesson number 8, that is natural resources, isn't it? Yes, lesson number 8, natural resources. So, let's just go through this picture. This picture tells you about all the examples of natural resources which we use or which the people use in their daily life. Like here, if you see, this farmer is plowing the field, isn't it? So, what natural resource he is using here? He is using the land as a natural resource, which we saw in the last period, isn't it? Land is a valuable natural resource, isn't it? It's valuable, no? There is no value to the land because we use this soil, we use this land, and from this land and soil we get the food, na? So this is the natural resource which we use. Now, like here, soil is being taken out, isn't it? So soil is the natural resource here. Here, bricks, a man at work, bricks. So again, what kind of natural resource is used here? Of course, soil, mud. Then here, water is for fishing, water is used. So which is the natural resource which is used in this picture? Water, isn't it? Here, yes, plants, animals, isn't it? Collection of honey. So animal is the natural resource. Here, salt pans. This person is collecting salt. So which natural resource is used here? Salt is collected from water, ocean. Ocean has water, so natural resource is the water here, isn't it? Here also, man is taking water from the well. So which is the natural resource which is used here? Of course, water. If you see here, this woman is collecting rubber from the rubber plant. So which is the natural resource which is used here? Of course, the rubber tree, plant. Then here, yes, this woman is collecting wood. So, which is the natural resource which is used here? Of course, the wood is collected from plants, trees. Windmill, it runs on which natural resource? Of course, the wind. So, wind is the natural resource which is used here. Resin, this man is collecting resin from the tree. So, which is the natural resource which is used here? Of course, the tree, plants, isn't it? Resin is a natural sticky substance which is collected from the plants, which is used to make various other things, okay, which we are going to see in the lesson ahead. So, these are some of the examples of all natural resources which we use in our daily life. We are dependent on these natural resources rather for our various needs, isn't it? And you know very well what are natural resources. The definition we saw in the last period: the things which are available to us naturally, things which we use, which are available to us naturally around us. They are said to be natural resources, like water. Right from the time we get up in the morning, we keep on using water till we go to bed at night. Right from drinking, bathing, cooking, washing animals, washing other things, even for farming, we need water for everything, isn't it? So this shows how important water is as a natural resource. See, in the last period we saw about the land as a natural resource. हमने land के बारे में information देखी थी, isn't it? So basically, for what purpose land is used? Land is always used for agriculture, farming. है ना? शेतीसाठी वापरतो आपण land, and water is used for many things. So the entire living world depends on this natural resource, isn't it? Human beings, animals, plants, all living things, they are dependent on this natural resource, water. Now, the next natural resource which we have to study today is the forest, that is plants. Basically, from the forest you get the plants, isn't it? But for what are the uses of plants? We get products like wood. First thing which you get from the plants is the wood. Lakud meta, rubber, you know very well, the eraser also which you use to study, to write down, to erase something. That eraser is also made from the plants, rubber. Resins, just now I told you resins. Resins is what? A sticky substance which comes from the plant. चिकट पदार्थ जो झाडामधनं येतो, that is called the resin. And this resin is used to manufacture various things. Like it is used sometimes in medicine. It is also used in various food products. This resin is also used in various other things. Like here it is given uses of resin: glues, adhesives, isn't it? Glues, yes. Then even fruits also you get from plants, forest. Medicinal plants from the forest. Sometimes no, some medicinal plants, especially medicinal plants, you get only in the forest, not anywhere else. So these are some of the uses of this natural resource, forest. So you get so many things: wood, rubber, resins, fruits, medicinal plants from the forest. औषधी वनस्पती ज्याला म्हणतो, medicinal plants you get from forest. Meaning of resins is given for you: a sticky substance which is produced from the tree and which is used for making glues, चिकटवण्याकरता glues, medicines, and in certain food products. Soil formation. In the last period, we saw something about the soil also as a natural resource. On the land, you get the soil. But this soil formation, how this soil is made, how it is formed, कशी तयार होते माती, it depends on original rock. What type of rock it is? Igneous rock, sedimentary rock, metamorphic rock, what type of a rock it is? It depends on that. Climate, okay, it also depends on the climate, organic components, and time. Organic components, chemical things which are there, chemicals which are there. It also depends on that time. As I told you in the last period, also soil formation is not an easy process. It's a long process. It takes time. It's a slow process. Okay. So all these factors decides the formation of soil. Again, I repeat, children. Original rock. What type of rock is there? Suppose we live in an area where, like Maharashtra, is famous for basalt rock, hard basalt rock, isn't it? Igneous rock. So, what kind of soil we will have here? We will have the soil which is made from basalt rock. If you go to the Konkan region, na, there you will see their soil is in a red color. Why that red color is there? Because the main rock which is there is the laterite rock, and the color of that laterite rock is red, and that's why you see the red colored soil over there. कोकणातली जी माती असते ती लालसर असते. लालसर का असते? बिकॉज इट इज फॉर्म फ्रॉम द लॅटराईट रॉक. ती कशापासून तयार होते? लॅटराईट नावाच्या रॉक पासून तयार होते. अँड व्हॉट इज द कलर ऑफ दॅट लॅटराईट रॉक? इट इज रेड. Okay, so soil depends on the rock. Then climate. What kind of a climate is there? Like in the desert places, you have a different climate, different weather, so soil is different. If you go to the places where there is a heavy rainfall, you get a different type of soil because the climate is different there. वाळवंटात तुम्हाला वेगळी माती मिळेल, कारण तिथलं हवामान वेगळं आहे. जिथे जास्त पाऊस पडतो तिथली माती वेगळी आहे, तिथलं वेदर क्लायमेट वेगळं आहे. ओके. ऑर्गॅनिक कॉम्पोनंट्स, व्हॉट काइंड ऑफ केमिकल्स आर देर? कधी कधी केमिकल्स पण असतात रॉक्समध्ये. सो द सॉइल फॉर्मेशन मेनली डिपेंड्स ऑन ऑल दीज फॅक्टर्स. टाइम, ॲज आय टोल्ड यू, इट्स अ व्हेरी स्लो प्रोसेस, इट टेक्स टाइम. Okay, so this is all for your short lesson today, children. So today we learned about water and plants as a natural resource. Okay, we started with the land, natural resource which is used for farming. Soil, as I told you, it's a slow process. Formation of soil, it depends on original rock, climate, even slope of the land also, and organic components, that is chemicals. All these factors decide the formation of soil. Then we saw something about the water as a natural resource, how water is used. Of course, you know various uses of water. Water we need in our everyday life. Without water we cannot stay alive, no? आपण जिवंतच राहू शकत नाही पाण्याशिवाय, isn't it? So many uses: drinking, bathing, washing, cooking. And then we saw something about the forest as a natural resource, plants as a natural resource. We get so many things from the plants. You get rubber, resins from the plants, isn't it? Wood also you get from the plants. So there are so many uses. Even some medicinal plants also you get from the forest. So these are some of the things or uses of forest as a natural resource. Okay, that's all for your today's period, children. We will again continue with the same lesson in the next geography period.